Hey everybody! Guess what? It's finally here! You can import your own spreadsheet into Command with our import wizard. I can't even believe it. Let's get started. Woohoo! Hey everybody, it's your favorite tech trainer, Bren Brewer, and an amazing new feature just dropped in Command, and I want to be the first to share it with you. I am so excited. I've been waiting for this feature for a long time. I have a ton of contacts, and now there's a wizard that you can import your own contacts and map the fields without having to use the import spreadsheet that is in Command. So this is an amazing new feature. I haven't tried it out yet. This will be my first time trying it out. So let's see how it is. Let's see how it works. I'm ready. Let's go. You know the drill. Go to agent.kw.com, agent.kw.com, and log in. All right. So I'm in my contacts already. So make sure you go into your contacts and you're going to click import. And instead of downloading this template, we're going to click Browse. We're going to go find our contacts. Where's my contacts? No! Okay, so I ran into a little snag because I didn't know what I'm doing because it's the first time I've done it. So I'm going to click here to learn more about importing contacts. It says import contacts into Command. Click import. Use the Command contact import template. So skip to the next if you're using a custom CSV. Import a custom CSV. So we're gonna, okay, so it does have to be a CSV. So if you have a Microsoft Excel document, you're gonna open it up, you're gonna click File, click Save As, and save it as a CSV. Okay? Then we're gonna follow the instructions in this. Alright, I think I got it now. Let's go back over to Command. We're going to click Browse. I'm going to go to my desktop and find my contacts. Click Open. What? Okay. Now we're going to click Continue. Contact ID. I'm going to skip. Type. Skip. Salutation. Skip. First name, that's going to say first name. Middle name, we're going to say middle name. Last name, we're going to say last name. Suffix, we're going to say suffix. Company name. Wow, there is a lot. Company name. Primary city. It's all in here. This is crazy. Okay. My groups are tags. My groups are my tags. Let me go back to group. I think I hid that. Great. Oh my gosh, this is going to import amazing. Let me scroll down to a one in the back. Gonna work. I'm going to click Finalize Import. Contacts are being imported. Depending on the size of your file, this may take a bit. You'll receive a command notification when the process is complete. Return to contacts. Wonder how long it's going to take. I don't have anything yet. We'll see. It's 9:25 a.m. right now. I'm going to come back when it's done and let you know. Alright, so it's been about 10 minutes. I have a notification that says you have partly failed imports. So let's click it and see what it says. Failed import. Failed import. What does it say? Did was So I had 2,000 contacts, and I guess these are the 274 contacts that failed. Alright, so let's go to my settings. Let's look at command settings, contacts. Let's look at my logs. So it says it's done. 1,940 contacts out of 2,000 something contacts imported, and 272 failed. So I can download my original file or my error file. So I think what happened here was these people were probably people with the same phone number or email address as the first contact that went in. So I think these were relationship contacts or agents I already had in my database. I feel like that might be something. So if I already had people in my database, those did not come in. So all in all, let me go back to my contacts and see what's there. How many I have? It's loading, loading, loading. 2,266. My contacts just went right on up there. Right on up there. So let me see. Let me see if my tags are in here that I did. And I like to do... That's one of my farms. Let's apply that and see. What? They're in here. Wow. I am impressed with this import wizard. It got them all in here fairly quickly. It said it was done at 9:31, so I guess I just didn't check it soon enough. So I waited about 10 minutes and it came in, so I am loving this. So if you've been holding out, you want to upload your contacts yourself, or if you just have a bunch of contacts on a spreadsheet that you need to get in, you can now import it with the wizard. You can go over to answers.kw.com and search for importing contacts in a command, and the instructions are right there. If you still have trouble, make an appointment with me or email me and I can help you get your contacts into command with the import wizard. I love this. Let me know if you're using it and how many contacts you get in command. I've got over 2,000 now. I'm so excited. Yay! It's also Friday here, so y'all have a good weekend and get yourself importing those contacts.